Watch me install this crusty old wig.
Spray the got to be. Oop. Anyways, perk 30. I just popped a perk 30. So once that dries, I'm gonna start cutting my cap, and then once I get near the back of my cap, I'm just gonna cut it on off because nobody's gonna see that anyway. So we're gonna snip. And then I got this Ebony Tinted Lace Spray, medium brown, 10 out of 10, run, don't walk. So I'm only going to put 3 layers of glue on because I'm not going to be wearing this hair for a long period of time. And since we're here, that Tinted Ebony Lace Spray, colored medium brown, ladies, if you are my shade, I very highly recommend. You better get you one of them right now. Alright, so this wig, bruh, it's a like kinky look, so just bear with me.
Dry as shit.
So I'm gonna wrap this motherfucker up for about 15-20 minutes. Alright, then I'm gonna start cutting my edges and I'm gonna style it off camera.
He like red bitch, but fed a little. His skin tone, chocolate bitch, Hershey.